The previous work that I had done was I had 4 implants. And the plate sat on top of them, and it just rocked and rolled. It constantly needed to be glued down. If I ate, I'd have to glue it down after I was done eating. If I didn't keep the glue in there and I was chatting, there's a possibility it slipped. It was extremely embarrassing. Besides being difficult to eat, it was very hard to chew food. Because of what was getting under the denture. So I knew I needed it replaced. And then I needed a new upper. Picture a 4-post with a plate sitting on top of it. Now there were grommets in it at one time. The technology is no longer there, so they couldn't replace the grommets. Now picture putting glue in there. Now, and then in a place where there's saliva that's constantly being washed away every time you take a drink. If you just put the glue in and then sit down to eat, picture the food now, what it's doing in your mouth. It's totally uncomfortable. Besides the fact, just awful to try to finish a meal without having to get up and change or clean out or rinse. Dr. Levine did a plan. We sat down after the x-rays were done, described to me what they were going to do, how long it was going to take, and when we could actually do the procedure. And everything that I was told happened beautifully. I was comfortable. There were no surprises. The time frame, the finances, everything was as I was told. And when you come into the office, from the receptionist to the hygienist to the assistant, everybody is just, they're wonderful, caring, talented. You feel so comfortable when you come in. It just takes all your fears and your anxieties away. I have hated the dentist since I was little, not because I didn't want my smile, but because it was always so painful. Extremely sensitive gums. When the procedure was done and I had all the new prosthetics in place, it was as if they were there from the get-go. This is what I was born with. They're not prostheses. They're mine, and they feel that way. They don't feel like a denture and an implant. They're mine.